excitement today driving. Went to our first choice, Lagazoy. It's very cold, windy. Cable car not working. Detour to Paso Daya. Want to do the Via Maranata there. To Refugio Novalo. Didn't work. Come back. Try Cingatori. Chairlift, too windy, not working. So finally, we decided to try the Via Maranata Estadi.
It's starting to get icy. Oh, like water.
It gets slow. So now we are approaching the trailhead, and now I'm looking straight at Cingatori, and on top there is Refugio Novala. Anyway, excuse my Italian. We came up from Dibona, climb up in here. That's what I want to do. If weather permits next time, I'll do this one. Here we go. That's supposed to be the very easy Via Maranata, but with the weather condition, it's different.
Wow, rocks.
This ice fall here. This part we've been standing here and debating. So basically got through, but we got some ice fall happening here.
Hang on.
In the quiet of a shadow, like a cloud across the moon, you're aware in all the silence of a constant that will turn, like the windmill left deserted, or the sun forever burned. So don't forget to breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Where all life is here, no 11th hour reprieve. So don't forget to breathe. Keep your head above water, but don't forget to breathe. And all the suffering that you've witnessed, and the handprints on the wall, they remind you how it's endless, how endlessly you fall. Then the answer that you're seeking for the question that you found drives you further to confusion as you lose your sense of ground. So don't forget to breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Where all life is here, no 11th hour reprieve. So don't forget to breathe. You know you are here, but you find you want to leave. So don't forget to breathe. Just breathe. Just breathe. Just breathe.